Hello, my name is Karen Smith and I am from Bright Spark Electrical Services. Some of the most important things to do once you've had a new consumer unit is to test your RCDs, RCBOs. This consumer unit is one of the latest consumer units you can get, and these have got RCBOs. The RCBOs will have a test switch, and even consumer units with arc fault detection devices will have a little test switch. Every 6 months, around about the time you change your clocks, you press these switches. I recommend you do it 2 or 3 times because the switch may not go down fast enough. But if you do it a couple of times, it will exercise the little spring in the back and make sure it is working. And that's by testing, pressing that yellow button. This consumer unit is not connected to electricity, so it won't do it. Other consumer units may look different. So instead of having the big red main switch, you may find that's been replaced by an RCD main switch. So that's going to cut off the plus and the minus, the electricity going through. This has the big switch on it, also has a test button. However, this needs to be tested as well. Obviously not connected, but you press the button and then you lose the power to those circuits. This is one thing you need to test. You may find it replaces the big red switch. You may find that you've got the big red switch and a couple of these in the consumer unit. These ones will be protecting half the house. If you don't have an RCD protecting some of the house, it's worth considering either replacing the miniature circuit breakers which are in here with RCBOs or getting a consumer unit fuseboard upgrade. So let's take a look again. There is, you wouldn't see this bit, but you'd see that bit in your consumer unit. This unit is made by MK, it's an RCD. So you've got the big switch, which is stiff, and that little test button there. And when you press the test button, this switch will go down. Okay? It won't work at the moment because we haven't got any electricity in it. Okay? So that is an RCD, main switch RCD, or it will be spaced out in your consumer unit. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube video channel and hit that little notification bell to be informed when we release some more videos.